Do you want to earn scalable passive income with digital products but don't know where to start? If so, this is the perfect video for you because I'll be sharing 7 digital product ideas to help you make passive income that you could scale to $10,000 per month. So make sure to stick around and watch this video till the end because it's going to be value packed. Hi and welcome back. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to scale your business to the next level and turn your passions into profits, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first one notified of any new videos that I upload to the channel. Now picture this: waking up every morning to sales, working less, and earning more money. This is possible when you sell digital products. The hardest part that many people struggle with is finding profitable digital products. And this is why today I'm sharing with you guys 7 digital product ideas that you could start with right now and eventually scale to $10,000 a month. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one is ebooks. Writing your own ebooks is one of the best ways to make money and earn passive income. And the nice thing about writing an ebook is that you write it once, you can write it on any topic that you're knowledgeable about, and it's super simple to self-publish ebooks to online platforms such as Amazon and sell over and over and over again. Now, with that said, if the idea of writing a book of your own, you find it difficult, or maybe you're not a writer, you could buy PLR ebooks with private label rights, which means that these books can be edited. You can add your own name, your own website, your address, affiliate marketing, or anything else you would like to include and sell them as your own ebook. So you could find these ebooks on sites like these, and they have a wide range of different books and topics that you could pick from. So make sure to check them out. Another way to make passive income is through membership sites, where you provide exclusive content on your niche or your expertise, right, that they can't get elsewhere. And what's nice about having exclusive membership is that you have an idea of what your monthly income will be every month. Since it's more predictable, since you have a reoccurring payments from your students. And another benefit is that you could start a membership site with very little content because you're providing value as you go. So keep this in mind. The quickest you could start your digital product idea, the faster you will start making money. So this is a fantastic way to start an online business and start making money right away. Now, if you have a particular set of skills or are very knowledgeable in a specific niche, you could earn passive income with online courses. And you could create the course once and sell it over and over and over. I know of someone who created a course on making sourdough bread that makes about $100,000 a year just on that. So as you can see, you could create a course on any topic you like, and you could sell it on sites like Teachable. Another way is selling stock photos. It's a great way to make passive income online. You could upload your photos to sites like sites like Shutterstock and start making money every time your photo is downloaded. And you could sell them on sites like Etsy as well, or have your own membership site if you like. And if you're a photographer, stock photos are in demand, especially for content creators like myself that are always looking for new stock images for my website and social media. Now, another way to create a lucrative passive income stream and make money every single month is by selling templates. This is one of my favorites. There's so many templates that you could create to help your ideal clients. Aside from your own website, you could sell them on sites like Creative Market, Etsy, Design Bundles, just to kind of name a few. And you could create templates on all sorts of topics, from meal planning, how to start a blog, affiliate marketing, social media graphics, and much more. Now, if you have found value so far in the video, make sure that you show me some love by liking this video. And if you're ready to create and sell digital products on Etsy, make sure to check out my Etsy Mastery course, because I do teach you how to make passive income with digital products, even if you have no experience. I will leave the links in the comment below. Now, another way of creating passive income is by creating swipe files. And a swipe file is a collection of written examples from email subject lines, landing pages, banner ads, blog post ideas, headlines, etc., that people purchase to help them boost their content or help them with social media. And you could create, for example, 100 email headline templates that will help you increase your click-through rate. This is a great niche to go into because many people, including myself, content creator, bloggers, entrepreneurs, small business owners, are always in the search of swipe files to help their business grow, especially if we don't have enough time or maybe we suffer from being as creative like I do. So these are great to buy. Another way is affiliate marketing. I know many of you guys know about this one. You can make passive income online. I particularly have a blog on the weight loss niche, and I make about $2,000 to $3,000 per month through affiliate marketing. And the best part about affiliate marketing, there's no limit on how much you can make. It's really up to you and the efforts you put behind it. Now, you could promote other people's products or services in all sorts of niches. And the site that I use to find products is ClickBank. I highly recommend checking them out. Now, these are 7 digital product ideas that you could scale and start earning $10,000 or more, right? By narrowing down your target audience, marketing yourself the right way, and with a bit of hard work, right? It takes hard work to get this started. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that I talked about in the comments, and thank you for watching.